Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Joy. Today, we will learn a new English phrase. Listen carefully and repeat after me.
I will teach you very simple English. And I will correct your mistakes kindly. Great job. Now let's practice together.
Where are you from?
I am from the UAE.
Excellent. Excellent.
It's your turn. Write your answer in English in the comments below. Very good. See you in the next lesson on Learn with Joy.